Hi, I am Hassan Hubani. I can make a lot of sound. Sound of cat, meow meow. Sound of dog, how how. Sound of sheep, bah. Sound of club. Thank you.
Hello teacher, I am Muhammad Marwan Zaki. I am grade 1, Alfayzeen International School. I can make any sound. For cat, meow. For dog, how how how. For cow, meh. Happy, ha ha ha. Crying,
Hello, I am Ahmed. I am in grade 1 in Alfayzeen International School. I can make different sound by cat, meow, and dog, wolf, cow, moo, wolf, cow, humming, laughing, ha 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 ha, crying, wah wah wah, car, vroom vroom.
Assalamu alaikum teacher, I am Omar. I'm grade 1 in Alfayzeen International School. I can make any sound deep for cat. Sound cat, meow. Sound dog, how how how. Sound crow, moo moo. Sound check, bear. Sound try, wah. Sound happy, ha 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 ha. Assalamu alaikum miss. I am Muhammad Marwan Ali. I am in grade 1 in Alfayzeen International School. Now I will take sound. The first sound is whistling. Now I will take sound of clapping. Now I will take sound of cry. Now I will take sound of laugh. Ha 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 ha. Now I will take sound of talking. Hi miss, how are you? Now I will take sound of whisper. Now I will take sound of shout. Miss, how are you? Finish.
Ahmed Hazanzi. I am grade 1. I am Alfayzeen International School. I can make for cat, meow, and dog, how how.
Salam alaikum, Miss. I am Murad Awadi. Today I told you
Animals voice animals. Cat meow meow meow. See kid buk 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 buk.